JD Camp 26 here to do tips and beers and hobbies. And we're going to add light to this guy. And how we're going to do it is from the back. We're going to drill through the back and put a hole right about there. So let's do that now. We're using a burr right here. And there's the size of the burr. That one drill right about there. And so there's the hole there for the light to go in. So we've got another LED here. And we got to cut it open here. And we've got the glue gun heated up. It's heating up right now. And what we're going to do is take it, unravel it, and I'll stick it in here. And hopefully you can feed it up a little bit towards the head. It's pretty close to the head. Okay, and what we're going to do is glue gun around here. It goes up to about, I can see it in there, right about there. It's not going to go all the way up, but this is glow in the dark, so it should be pretty good. Let's see. I think it's going in the upwards. So we have to hold it right about there and put some glue on there to hold it, and then it's got to dry. Then we got a power box here, a 9-volt, and we'll put that down at the base, hopefully. You could put it in like this, okay. You gotta make sure the cover comes off. So the cover comes off like that, but the button's on the opposite side. So let's see. I think we're gonna have to leave it loose. I don't think we can glue it in, because even if we do it this way, even this way wouldn't work. So we're gonna have to just leave it loose and shorten up on the wires. So we're gonna shorten up on the wires. We'll do that. We're not gonna glue it in. We're gonna cut the wires here right about there. Take some wire off, and then we have to split the wires and strip them. Like about that, like that. I'm going to take the wire strippers, strip some wire off on each one. That's good. Give them a couple twists. You got to connect black to black, red to red. Okay. I'm going to put these heat shrinks on first before you connect the wires. Just move them down towards the box like that, and then you connect the wires up black to black. Give them a good twist. I got the soldering gun heated up. You can add flux. I didn't pull the flux out. You can add flux to this for the wires. Make sure you give them a good twist. See, they're not. So let's grab the wires here, and one of these already untwisted. You got to get that together, twist it around each other. You want to hold them while you solder them. So, soldering gun here. That's one. Let's do the other one. That's two. You can look at them. That's a good job. Let them cool down. And then you're going to slide these heat shields down over the wires. I'll show you how to do that. Let's feel the wire a little bit. It's pretty cool now. So, go like this, fold it in like that, fold it over itself, slip it in the tube, I'm sorry, like that. Okay. And you fold it over very gently. You don't want to break your connection that you just made. And fold it over like that. And then slip it in the tube like that. Push it in. Like that. Okay. Then we're going to take this thing. This is a torch, not a thing, and we're going to try to melt those shields. Okay. So this is a tricky device to use. Very hot. And now they're completed. Now you just gotta put the battery in the box. I'll show that in a little while. There he is, and we're just gonna try to turn him on here. He's all lit up. Okay. And you can turn him on for a while, charge him up, and then he'll glow for a few minutes, for a while. You can leave him lit up like that. It's daytime now, so you won't, be able to see it really, really good, but great effect at night. So that's how you light up your Forgotten Prisoner. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please rate, subscribe, and give me the thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Take care.